In this video, I want to share with you 10 free Kentucky Derby prompts that you can use for your merch on demand business. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print on demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on merch on demand and other print on demand platforms. If you like this kind of content, you get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you those 10 free Kentucky Derby prompts, just want to do a quick sales update for merch on demand. So today is Thursday, April 17th, 6:25 a.m. in the morning, already sitting at 4 sales. But yesterday was a pretty good day. I did 25 sales and $91 in royalties. But what I really liked about yesterday is that I had 0 returns. So that was really nice to see. I've been kind of having a lot of returns this month, especially last Friday was pretty rough. But that is going to put me at 491 sales for the month and $1,301 for the month of April. Now, if you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both merch on demand and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like gym pics, family pics, entrepreneur pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 19 years. All right, so we got the Kentucky Derby coming up on May 3rd, 2025. And if you don't know what the Kentucky Derby is, it's basically a horse racing event that happens every year in May. It's very popular, very big in the United States. And there's going to be a lot of people that are going to be searching for Kentucky Derby t-shirts on Google, on Amazon. And so as merch on demand sellers, we want to take advantage of that traffic and get some sales. And if we go to Merch Dominator right here, and if I go to best sellers and I sort it by newest with the keyword Derby, we're going to see that all these t-shirts right here were just recently uploaded. So this one, April 15th, was just like 2 days ago, April 9th, April 7th, April 7th. These ones are all April as well, and they all have BSRs getting sales. So that tells us that people are searching and buying these type of t-shirts. And so what I did is I went ahead and I made some prompts for these designs. Now, I will admit or say that, you want to avoid using the word Kentucky Derby. That is going to get you in trouble, but we can definitely focus on the word Derby. And that's what I would recommend that you do here. And that's what we're seeing all these designs doing right here. They're just using the word Derby, which is totally fine to use. But I would highly recommend not using the word Kentucky. That would, oh, I got a sale. That would make me a little nervous. So just do what these designs are doing right here. Kind of, copy their keywords or do something similar, and just avoid the word Kentucky, because I think that will get you in trouble. Just focus on Derby. But let's go here to ideograms so we can take a look at some of the designs and prompts that I made. Now, if you want these prompts, you can actually just download them on my PayHip shop. I will have a Word file for you that you can just go ahead and download. So just click the link. It's going to be in the description. But right here, we're going to see the best 2 minutes of your life. So, oh, sorry about the noise. So this is actually a pretty funny design. So the race, the Kentucky Derby race, takes about 2 minutes. They say it's the most exciting 2 minutes in sports. But so this is kind of a funny one, the best 2 minutes of your life here with the guys horse racing. It must be Derby Day. Where is the bourbon? So you got a lot of people who like to drink bourbon and watch the race. I guess I saw bourbon a lot with this niche. This is my Derby Day suit. So you're going to see a lot of people like to dress up nice and fancy. Like the women, they wear these really nice hats. It's kind of like a rich person's event, kind of like golfing or tennis. So you got people dressing up. So here we got, this is my Derby Day suit. So this is going to be for men. This one right here is "and they're off." So this is what the announcer says when the horses start the race. So the gates go down, the horses go out, and the announcer says, "and they're off." So it's kind of like a traditional saying that you hear a lot with the Kentucky Derby. Hold my bourbon, it's Derby Day. Again, we're seeing bourbon cross niche with Derby. Derby Day was another popular keyword or phrase that I saw a lot for this niche. So that's maybe something to think about. This is my Derby Day dress. So again, kind of like this one right here, but for women. So a lot of women, like I said, they dress up, they wear these nice hats and the dresses. So you can do something like this. Derby time. So I like this one because, we're cross-niching, the Derby, Kentucky Derby with the American flag. That's always a good recipe for success. That's how I actually started to get sales on Merch by Amazon, was by cross-niching a whole bunch of niches with the American flag. I'm a Derby old man. So one thing that you'll notice in this niche is that they do there's a lot of designs that do a play on words with the word Derby. But instead of Derby, the play on words is going to be like dirty. So instead of saying I'm a dirty old man, it's saying I'm a Derby old man. So that's a funny one. And then right here we got talk derby to me. So this kind of reminds me of the Thanksgiving niche where it says talk turkey to me. It's a play on words. Instead of saying talk dirty to me, it's saying talk derby to me. So really funny. And then the last one right here is going to be weekend forecast horse racing with a chance of drinking. So this is a very popular design phrase that we've seen sell very well, over the years. Weekend forecast, and basically you just pop in the niche right here and you say with a chance of drinking. If you've been on Merch by Amazon for a few years, you've probably seen this design style sell well. So these are the 10 prompts that you can use for your merch on demand business. You can download those for free on my PayHip shop. I will have a link in the description, so go ahead and feel free to use these. You can also sell them on other platforms as well. So if you're like on Redbubble, TeePublic, if you're doing print on demand on Etsy, that could work. You could also sell them as PNG files on Etsy as well. That's kind of another good way to make money, and you don't have to deal with like customers or returns or anything like that if you're selling on Etsy. So like I said, go ahead and download those. Now I just want to share with you my my SKOOL platform, because actually I got this niche from a comment in my SKOOL community. Let's see if I can find it here. So the other day, actually let's just go ahead and type in derby because it'll be a little easier to find. So let's go with derby and make this just a little bit bigger. Yeah, so shout out to Jason. Jason commented yesterday in my SKOOL community right here saying, let's go ahead and click on it. Kentucky Derby is coming. Every year I sell a bunch of derby shirts. Here's one I just designed. If you decide to design soon, be careful with trademarks. So shout out to Jason for letting us know about this niche. And like I said, just be careful and not use anything that says Kentucky and just stick to like derby. And I actually messaged him and asked him like what he uses for keywords, and he says he just uses like Derby Day, things like that. So go ahead and take a look at this niche here. Let's go back to SKOOL right here, and I actually have some things I want to show you. So if we go to my about page, I've actually been getting some testimonials from people that have been just basically commenting on their own, talking about sales they've been getting from the niches I've been recommending. So you guys have probably seen this one that I've shared before in some previous videos, but I got this new one right here. So right here, hi is insane. Big thanks to Mike and the SKOOL crew. Yesterday was a solid run. Closed out the day with 27 sales and pulled in $111 in royalties. What's even better, most of these were from designs born right here in the community. One of them, the funny Make Billionaires Extinct tee, just got its first organic sale. So this was a niche that I recommended, I think like 2 weeks ago, talking about making billionaires extinct. It was kind of like in reference like Elon Musk, but obviously you don't use his name. And basically you can see here he's having success with that niche. And then this one right here by Hassan was saying, thanks to you, more than 100 sales that I got is from the niches that you guys gave us. So that's a really cool testimonial right there. So if you're interested, click the link in the description if you want to sign up to my SKOOL community. You can actually get a free trial, so you can just try it for free, see if you like the niches, see if you like the GPTs. Here's everything that you get. You can watch this video right here to kind of explain more of all the benefits. But that is basically going to be the video for today. Watch this video up here next. It's going to be about one of the GPTs, my favorite GPTs for writing your merch on demand listings. It gives you title, bullet, brand, bullet 2, and description. Okay, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Adios.